We've been loving San Miguel de Allende so far, and it has debatably become one of our most favorite cities in Mexico. We're having a great time, and we wanted to give you guys a quick list of things to do here.
So in the next 10 minutes, you'll hear about 10 fun things you can do here in San Miguel de Allende, starting now.
Top of our list was our favorite pastime in San Miguel de Allende, rooftop hopping, folks. We linked up with the plugs of SMA, Michelle, and Daryl.
Shout out.
And they showed us around some of the grandest rooftops that one can behold in SMA.
Come on now.
First off, let's start here. Rooftops abound in SMA, but here are a few that stand head and shoulders above the rest. Coming in
as an undisputed champion of SMA
is the rooftop at the Rosewood Hotel, also known as Luna Tapas Bar.
We found another rooftop, y'all.
You know, we found the rooftop.
That's what's up. Look, this place was recommended to us by everyone that we asked. Taxi driver, tour guide, a group of people that live here, random dude we ran into on the street.
Definitely. They say to head to the Rosewood Hotel. The terrace at the top has sweeping, beautiful views of the city of San Miguel de Allende.
And look, on a clear day, you have a 360-degree view of the city from inside the basin. It's freaking gorgeous.
I mean, for one, the terrace is huge.
Ginormous.
There's a covered part of the terrace, which we are now with a huge bar behind us, but there's also an uncovered part of the terrace that has lots of seated areas with cushions, with fire pits in them. It seems like the perfect place to wind down and to relax in the afternoon, in the evening, and just really enjoy the view.
So if you make it to San Miguel de Allende, make your way to the rooftop. The drinks are strong, the drinks are delicious, a little bit pricey, but you're paying for the view. Get your day drinking on here at Rosewood.
That's what we're doing.
Cheers, y'all. The rooftop scene in San Miguel de Allende is unforgettable. Salsa dancing on top of Lima's rooftop, eating fine cuisine at Quince, eating fine cuisine at Atrio. But we have some suggestions for you when rooftop hopping in San Miguel de Allende. First off, be sure to check out the two different scenes, that daytime and the nighttime scene. They are two completely different animals. That daytime animal is calm and serene and peaceful, offering beautiful, sweeping, colorful views of the city. You can see the beautiful pink Gothic city landmark off in the distance, leaving you with lasting, beautiful memories. But that nighttime scene, come on. We got a DJ helping you, Bella, and Stella get their grooves back with jazzy bass lines thumping in your ear, champagne bottles being popped, whiffs of cigar smoke passing by your table as decadent desserts are set aflame and served to the tables around you. Watching Mr. Moon fall into position and highlight the silhouettes of those city landmarks you grew so fond of during the day. This vibration is its own animal, and in my opinion, definitely worth getting to know.
Good morning, folks. This is a new morning and it's our walking tour take 2. There are like 2 routes from our Airbnb to... So look, we're going to make it to the walking tour. It's on our list. But first, pastries! We stopped at Cumpanio on the way to the walking tour and we're so glad we did. All of the pastries were freshly baked. And the very next day, this happened. We had dinner with a wonderful community of kinfolk in San Miguel de Allende, and one of them has a sweet tooth like mine. She was talking about this cake shop in San Miguel, and we got the name of it, and it's a place that we wanted to try out because she raved about it, so we had to find it. I believe it's called Animas Quince. Yours is good too. And you can't forget the churros. Of course, we dined at the famous Chocolates y Churros. But there are also plenty of street vendors selling churros that are fresh and delicious.
As it turns out, we did not miss our previously scheduled walking tour. The tour guide hadn't made it to our agreed upon destination yet. We reconnected with Guru Walks for their fabulous detailed walking tour. For us, a tour is absolutely mandatory if we can fit it into our travel schedule. We know we're not going to remember everything. tourist, who built the cathedral. My dude even fit in a ghost story. We loved every bit of our 2-hour tour, and we're pretty sure you probably dig it too.
There is tons to do here in and around SMA, but if the city is known for one thing, I would have to say it is a community of artists that call this place home. It has long been a haven for artists from around the globe, and its diversity is reflected in the arts, the galleries, creative spaces, and the actual collective of the people here.
Shout out to the gallery that housed my favorite works there, you guys. And it just turned out that this person is a Tapatio, Yuri Zatran. I loved this gallery. I loved the creative works that he did, the ceramic pieces, the abstract pieces, even the freaking furniture. It was chic. It was elegant. Just flat out dope, man. I really enjoyed this gallery. And I challenge you guys, man. Roam the streets of San Miguel de Allende and see if you can find a place that you really like. There are so many different flavors.
We had big fun touring these creative spaces, but one of the main attractions of this city has been the Center of Art and Design at Fabrica La Aurora, but we'll let the plug tell you all about it.
When we go city to city, country to country, wherever we go, we always try to link with people inside the community to give us the lowdown. And here in SMA, we got a chance to connect with Michelle with Afro Expats.
Hola everyone, this is Michelle for Afro Expats at afroexpats.com. I'm here to show you some parts of the outskirts of San Miguel de Allende. Let's talk art. Just outside of the center, there's actually a place that's called Fabrica La Aurora. It currently houses cafes, shops, and tons of galleries with works by local artists in many mediums. The entry is free, and I highly recommend that be on your list of things to see and do during your visit or stay in San Miguel de Allende. I highly recommend Coyote Canyon's Sunset Horseback Ride, where you can take a 2-hour ride up to a cross located just a little bit outside of El Centro, and it's just an amazing view. If you're looking to escape the hustle and bustle of El Centro, San Miguel de Allende, I highly recommend going to El Charco, which has a full outdoor botanical garden with trails that you can walk up to 5 kilometers. It is beautiful and has an amazing view of San Miguel. It is known for its outstanding natural preserve. This preserve is absolutely amazing. One of my most favorite places to spend the day is called Los Senderos Manay. There are cabañas, jacuzzi, places that you can get massage if you want. They have a natural pool, full restaurant, bar. It's just all around a fantastic spot that if you just need to unwind, you can go there. Zandunga is a music venue. They offer live music, a buffet, the whole nine, about 15 minutes from the center of San Miguel. I just wanted to get some quick video from Tres Raices, which is an amazing vineyard on the outskirts of San Miguel de Allende. This vineyard is probably one of my favorites. We have quite a few, but the architecture here is just like amazing. There's so much going on in this cool little town, and I just want you guys to catch it. If you're ever in San Miguel, look us up on Afro Expats. You can find us online, and this information is for anyone who lands there, so just feel free to contact me or reach out to me with anything that you might want to know about San Miguel, okay? Thanks so much for joining us, and I hope you enjoy this tour.
All right, y'all, we're doing a little meetup out here in San Miguel de Allende.
Yes.
Some of the folk,
Yes.
so we can find out what the real skinny is about this place.
Yeah, plan on having a good time with some kin folk at Quince Restaurante, which is right by the Periojia San Miguel.
All right, let's go get it. Let's have a ball, y'all. And yes, there are people of color in San Miguel. Connecting with our tribe was a vital part of our getaway vacay in SMA, okay? We linked up with Black SMA, did a meetup on this rooftop, and had the time of our lives, exchanging travel stories, just getting the lowdown on what the city has to offer, and just enjoying each other's company. So that's a strong recommendation from the Yarbros, you guys. Connect with your tribe. Link up. If you like gardening, find a gardening club. If you like golfing, find the golfers. You know what I mean? If you like to hike, go hiking with the group. There are so many interest groups in San Miguel de Allende that you are bound to find some people of similar interest who like the things that you like, and they can show you the time of your life.
What is
like
San Miguel?
These guys showed us a very good time here.
The bomb.
All right. edit. All right, y'all. They playing a wind down song. I guess that means it's time to make it home. Thank y'all for kicking it with us tonight. The evening is over. It was a fantastic one. We didn't get it, but we get it now. Thank you, and thank you. Thank you, Michelle. Thank you, Daryl. You showed us the true and the real San Miguel de Allende.